nice. In the grass.
Yeah, Ma's hung over here, honey. Woo! A little tonic nice. Where it sees you. Yeah.
What you got, baby?
What you doing, honey? Huh? What you doing? You like that mud hole? Say, this is pitiful. Take me to the farm and throw me in a mud hole.
It's all right, honey. She's like, no, don't put it in your mouth.
Mighty dirty. Got enough sitting in the mud hole. Like this. Get up here and jump.
Alan, you said you was going to get her in a mud hole.
You want to jump, jump.
Sit down then.
Jump.
She said you just pull it out of my butt later.
Okay, jump. You want to jump?
She said I want to sit down.
That's a bra. Get there. Yeah.
Honey, well, you can get Mr. B taking a dump.
Yeah, he gets in a fine shape.
Yeah, he does, don't he?
Oh, animals on the farm.
I know.
Oh.
That's their daughter, honey.
Very light work.
Him too. What are you doing with Pa? Look at Boo. Boo's in there with you.
You want to get over here with her whenever?
What are you doing, honey? Put right here with you. I do.
Want to go with them, Grandma?
Yeah, go ahead, splash all you want to.
It's sort of like bath time, but not quite the same.
It's a little bit more fun than back.
Slinging mud.
We got wet ones. And we got water.
Good.
You better not let your Grandma Betty and Grandpa Cliff see this. They'll say, what in the world's wrong with y'all?
Now, Grandma Betty would think it's funny. Now, you can't eat it.
And Grandpa Cliff would think she's going to get contaminated. So, since he's not
You want
used
to get
to
over
the
with them,
farm.
Alan?
Go
You
on
want
over
me to
here
go
and
with
play with
them?
them. Let Daddy record. You get something in your throat? Where's our bottle of water?